What's going on? It's your boy Damien Dupee, your #1 off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on the infill lots. Today I'm going to be telling you how to find buyers for your vacant land deal. You mean? You need to be able to find them buyers. Listen, if you want the full video, the link is in the description on my YouTube channel. We are land specialists. Deuce.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Back at you with some more epic wild content. It's your boy Damien Dupee, your #1 off-market land specialist. If you're new to wholesaling land, please find a buyer first. Find exactly what they want and bring them what they want, okay? Today I'm going to be talking about creative ways to find buyers. If you're not familiar with this tool right here on my left-hand side, it's called Regrid. What you want to do is, whatever market, whatever county you in, you can put that in here, and on the left-hand side, it'll show you who owns the lion's share of the land. The smaller the guys, the better, ladies and gentlemen. Listen to me. You want these smaller people. You want these mom and pops. That's what you want.